Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore one of the most famous theorems in mathematics, the Pythagorean theorem. Consider the triangle given above, where A is the perpendicular, B is the base, C is the hypotenuse. According to the definition, the Pythagoras theorem formula is given as hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. C square equals a square plus b square. Example. The examples of theorem and based on the statement given for right triangles is given below. Consider a right triangle, given below. Find the value of x. X is the side opposite to the right angle, hence it is a hypotenuse. Now, by the theorem we know hypotenuse square equals base square plus perpendicular square. X square equals 8 square plus 6 square. X square equals 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. X equals root over 100 is equal to 10. Therefore, the value of x is 10.
Problem 1. The sides of a triangle are 5, 12, 13 units. Check if it has a right angle or not. Solution. From Pythagoras theorem, we have perpendicular square base square hypotenuse square p square b square h square. Let perpendicular, p, 12 units, base, b, 5 units, hypotenuse, h, 13 units, since it is the longest side measure, LHS p square b square, 12 square 5 square, 144 25, 169, RHS h square, 13 square, 169, hence, 169 169, L.H.S. R.H.S. Therefore, the angle opposite to the 13-unit side will be a right angle. Problem 2. The two sides of a right-angled triangle are given as shown in the figure. Find the third side, given perpendicular equals to 15 cm, base equals to b cm, hypotenuse equals to 17 cm. As per the Pythagorean theorem, we have perpendicular square base square hypotenuse square, or 15 square plus b square equals to 17 square, or 225 plus b square equals to 289, or b square equals to 289 minus 225, or b square equals to 64, or b equals to 64. Therefore, b equals to 8 centimeters.